Scripts active. And scripts complete.
Report command receiver checks are complete and acceptable. LCDR?
Go.
OSM?
Go.
NIFCO?
Go. Command carry up, 1 Alpha Master Transmitter with pilot tone.
NIFCO, send a 1-second CRD self-test on the master transmitter.
Roger. On my mark, sending 1-second self-test. 3, 2, 1, mark. Test sent. Test removed. CSC send pilot tone.
TM2, report self-test complete.
Complete.
TM2, obtain CRD internal data trend.
Roger.
SSC, report CRD battery voltages for BAT1.
31.60.
31.60.
31.45.
31.45.
SSC, perform CRD external
10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We've had an excellent countdown thus far, and there are no problems at the present time. To repeat, we are still go for weather, both here in the launch area and in the recovery area, where, if all goes well, the Apollo spacecraft will splash. 5, 4, we have ignition. All engines are running. We have liftoff. We have liftoff at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.